guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos, and so today I'm gonna be showing you this makeup look, and this is using the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, the remastered one, and I have it right here. I recently got it like probably 2-3 weeks ago, and I know I'm kind of late compared to everyone else, but I saw it, and then my cousin and her girlfriend convinced me to get it, so it was like kind of like impulse buying. But anyways, so I want to share this makeup look with you. It's so easy. I love those pink shades, the shimmer that it has, the amazing pigmentation. If you're not subscribed yet, you can do so in the bottom down below. I'm also going to give you all my social media links in the description box if you want to check them out. I've been using Instagram a lot. I've been posting stories, pictures. I also like posted my favorite eyeshadow palette, so if you want to check that, yeah, I'm going to give you the link in the description box. And yeah, with no further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the third time that I'm using the Huda Beauty palette. The first time I used it for a very intense look, kind of like the look that Huda has on the front of the palette. And that's what I'm going to be recreating today, because I had like so many good comments about it, and a lot of people like wanted me to show them how I did it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And like the second time that I used it, it was just for a everyday look. So if you would like me to do an everyday look tutorial, let me know in the comments, and I will be more than happy to do it. So let's start with this look. So I'm going to start by taking this shade right here that is called Sandalwood, and I'm going to use it as my transition color. And also make sure that before we start with the makeup that you put some eyeshadow primer so that your eyeshadows last longer. So I'm gonna start applying this shade as my transition color, and I already did my my foundation and my eyebrows, so it's only an eye look that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. I'm also gonna be taking the shade Demure, it's this one right here, and I'm also gonna do that for my transition color. So you see that it's a little bit orangey, but I also want it to be to have more pink shade. And make sure that in this corner you are kind of like bringing it up so that your eye looks like more open. Once we have something like this, we can go on and take the shade Maneater, which is like this reddish shade, and I'm gonna combine this with this one right here, and the other one is called Risk, and I'm gonna use that on my crease. So all like this part right here, I'm gonna apply just like that. And don't be afraid of the color, like apply it really nice, because then we're gonna be blending it. Now we're gonna go ahead with our blending brush, and we're gonna blend all those harsh lines and harsh colors, and we're gonna do that in like circle motion. And don't worry if it goes to your eyelid, because we're gonna be fixing that in a little bit, because we're gonna be using some concealer after this. Okay, now once you have something like this, we're gonna apply some concealer on our eyelids so that we can put some shimmery shades onto that. For this step, I'm using my Naked Concealer, and this is on the shade Matte Light Warm, Medium Light Warm. Now I'm going to take the shade Rose Gold right here, and I'm going to be applying it with my finger on my eyelid. You can also use a brush and put some setting spray into your brush if you don't want to use your fingers to do your makeup. And then I'm just going to be like tapping it like this so that it has better pigmentation. Like you can see, it has a really strong pigmentation. Now, because I don't want it to look like that pink, I'm gonna take a little bit of the Risk color with the black one. and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner of my eye and start like blending it towards the middle. Once you have this, you can either put eyeliner or leave it like this and add some fake lashes, but since I have eyelash extensions, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some eyeliner, and I'm gonna do a cat eyeline. This is how it looks like with the eyeliner already, and I love this rose gold shade because you can see like how it kind of like turns color as I like move my eye. And to end this eye makeup, I'm gonna put like some shade on my lower lash line. So I applied it on my lower lash line like this, and only till like the middle of my eye, and I did the same thing here because I'm gonna be applying like some highlighter in the inner corner of the eye. And for the highlighter for the inner corner, I'm just gonna be taking the shade Bubbly right here. I'm gonna just do it with my finger, and I'm gonna tap it on the inner corner. Now to finish off the look, I'm gonna be taking my Naked Shape Shifter, and I'm gonna be bronzing a little bit my face, and then I'm gonna apply blush and lipstick, and then that will be it. So I'm taking the Shape Shifter on the powdery side, and I'm gonna be like combining these two bronzers right here and doing a fish face. I like to put it under my cheekbones and also my forehead. And then for blush, I'm taking this blush from the brand Note, and I'm gonna be applying it. This is like a really nice peach color, and you have to be careful with this one because it has like a lot of pigmentation. So I'm just like tap a little bit and apply this. And for highlighter, I'm taking the one from the same Shape Shifter palette, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna apply just a little bit. Whenever I use shimmery shades, I like using really matte lipsticks so that it compensates the glitter with the rest of the makeup. Video. I hope that you really liked it. I love doing makeup tutorials, so if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna give you all my social media links in the description box. So if you recreate this look, or if you have any idea for me to do a video, you can let me know on my social media. The one that I use the most is Instagram, so you can let me know there. If you want me to recreate a look or anything like that, just let me know. You can also tell me in the comments on this video, and yeah, I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.